Hi everyone, good day. I am here again and again to present myself, to present who really am I, and to get to know more about me. So are you ready? So let's go! To begin with, I am Janska Tejera, but usually most of my classmates, friends, and even my relatives call me Scotty. That's my nickname. And I am 22 years old, and I was born on May 22, 2003. I just turned 21 years old last week. What is my philosophy in life? I really do believe that you only live once. That's why, as a person and as a student and as a son, I really want to do all the things I want right now, but everything is in moderation. I need to balance everything to have to balance my social life and my academic life to have a good outcome. What is my physical self? Well, my height is I'm 5'3" or 5'4", and my weight is I'm more on like 52 or 53 kilograms, and my skin color I am just a moreno type person. Yeah. What is my material self? So there's only one material that brings me into possession. That is the volleyball ball. Because that ball signifies myself because I am an athletic. I really want to play volleyball. And then every time I play and see a volleyball ball, I feel like, I remember a lot of things. So let's go on to my spiritual self. To be honest, I am not a religious person, but I always do praying. I do praying every time I ask God for help, and every time I feel down, and every time if I have an upcoming exam, and also if I am having a doubt to myself. So now let's proceed to my political self. First Filipino trait that I possess is hospitality, or being hospitable to your guests, to your visitors every time you have a celebration like fiesta, birthdays in your house. Because as a Filipino, I believe that every Filipino possess this kind of Filipino trait. So now this is a very rampant topic nowadays, your digital self or my digital self. Me as a student, I'm always more on social media. I always browsing on any social media platforms every day. I would say that 50% of my day it would be scrolling or browsing in any social media platform. And also I use it for my leisure time. And also I am a student, it helps me to be academically inclined because I need that for my academic stuff because I always do research for more information. Letter to my future self. So I really want my future self to be financially stable, to help poor people, and also my family and my relatives. So this subject is understanding the self. What topic that piqued my interest? Well, the topic that piqued my interest was unpacking the self. That was chapter 2, lesson 1, because it talks about the physical and sexual self of each person, and also it helps me to know about me physically, of what really I am and who really I am. The most important lesson that I've learned through the discussion was you really need to know who really you are, and you really need to know what are the things that you are possessing, and not just physically but mentally, spiritually, and physically. I did it. So, the most important lesson that I have learned through the discussion was being true to yourself, looking who really you are, and finding what are the things that you are possessing, and knowing who really you are, not just physically but also mentally and spiritually, because no one would help you in the future, but it's always be yourself. So the lesson that I've learned was that I need to know who really I am to help myself also, right? And also being open-minded in every topic that you encounter, or being open-minded to everyone, because you have to understand them in order them to understand you. So it's just a reciprocal thing to do, understanding them and understanding you. So that's it. That's what I've learned, and that's what I've learned in understanding the self, basically. So experience with the instructor. So Ma'am Casey was during the first week of our meeting. I didn't feel you as a teacher because that was my first impression, to be honest. But throughout the discussion, after mga 1 month, I told myself that I was wrong, and I was wrong in having that kind of first impression, because Ma'am Casey was a very good teacher, and also sometimes I feel pressure, but it's okay because it's okay and it's part of learning. Overall experience about the class. The class was very participative. That's what I like, because every time we had an activity, everyone is participating, everyone knows each other every time we have an activity, and I like that one. And also everyone was very kind and very approachable. That's what I like. That's all for my video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.